What's up, my people? This is your boy Munches. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all the people that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you. Today, I want to take you for a tour, which is very nice. So today we're going to go to lawn mower. So I went out there early in the morning. I just want to see how the type of lawn mower they have. This one is a beautiful one. So I had to sit down. The guy was very nice, called Mr. Lord, and he showed me how it works. This is a big machine. I call it 90 circle. You can able to learn more all the field, which is very good. What I've been seeing it around, so I thought that we just go and get some information, which is very nice. It's a commercial one, so somebody can buy and start work, doing work, which is easy to go around with it. Just if you could just see the manuals, the way they're being directed, you're good to go. The guy was very kind to show me. He showed me how to do it, and it was very nice. Showed me everything in the lawnmower. It was a very good and very comfortable. And I think this where to go. Everything can go technology, but some things you have to do with your hand. You need this computer, so you also need to do lawnmower. So that one was very nice, you see, very good, and a very good machine. I really loved it, and it was a very good day. And the guy was so it was very good to me. So that's why I thought that I could show you guys how it was. That's why we kept on chatting, show me how to do it, going around, and it was really good. That's it. A couple of them around there. You see, some also are for when you're planting on your garden. So doing some manures thing or for your garden. So I noticed something else. It's all the prices. Oh my goodness, yeah, like $700, almost $800, almost $1,000. So it is expensive, but it's a good machine which you really need to work around. So that's what I did that day. So it was very nice. Yeah, so that is it.
It'd be like 7 in our county here, it's like 7% interest.
So, what about his breakages? How long can it serve you?
How long would for 2, like
there.
The front run not non-flat, they run flat.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Well, at least I've known something about this.
Sure.
Yeah. So with this and this one?
Just a rollover protection is what it is. A rollover protection. If you happen to roll, or something like that, side hill. They got a seat belt and all that kind of stuff, just like a car.
Oh.
And there's some people that run these downward too. You put this down, for trees and all that kind of stuff.
You're passing it well.
You get perfectly flat going. You don't do this.
Oh. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, good one.
What's your name?
Ron.
Ryan. Ron. I'm Vincent. Okay. Thank you, mate. Wow.
I also went to see this truck, army truck, which was a very big one. It's a US army truck which goes in the wars. It's a totally
Wow, this thing is big, man.
Bomb proof. So that's why it is. very big, very huge, and can carry up containers of eight guys. So just and there some armory and very strong. And it is totally metallic and bomb proof. It is good. So guys,
Look at
thank you
machine,
so
man.
much. That was my trip. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Like, comment, and I really love you guys as we do these things together. And this was US Army where they can able to recruit the people. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye. See you next time.